Now the last part of estimation of potassium dichromate, that is estimating the given solution. So here a small amount of potassium dichromate solution will be given in this reagent bottle, and we have to make up in a clean 100 ml SMF. So the burette solution here, the same clean solution, that is sodium thiosulfate, and the pipette solution is different, that is our given potassium dichromate has to be pipetted out. Okay, so first gently transfer the contents in this reagent bottle with the help of the glass rod into the 100 ml SMF. So gently touch the rim of the reagent bottle in the glass rod, and we have to wash the reagent bottle at least thrice. So add small amount of distilled water every time and swirl so that the walls will be cleaned up thoroughly, and transfer this without spilling into the 100 ml SMF with the help of the glass rod. So after washing this reagent bottle, now we have to wash the glass rod. So after that we have to wash the walls of the funnel and then the stem of the funnel also. And now after washing everything, we can make up this solution just below the mark. And the last few drops we can add using a dropper, so that we'll be getting the solution exactly at the mark. So now close it and invert it whole like this, and gently shake the bottom of the SMF. So by shaking well, we'll be getting a uniform concentration, and our given solution is ready now. So now fill the burette with our thiosulfate solution, the same solution that we used for our first titration. And then the pipette should be washed now. That is, for the first titration we used the standard potassium dichromate. So here we are going to use the given potassium dichromate solution. So we have to wash the pipette and then rinse using distilled water, and then using our given potassium dichromate solution also. So once we have rinsed it, now we can pipette out 20 ml of this given potassium dichromate into a clean conical flask. So add 5 ml of pure concentrated hydrochloric acid and 10 ml of 10% or 8% potassium iodide solution, and gently swirl the contents. And now immediately we have to titrate against this thiosulfate and the burette. So first we can add at a faster rate, and when we are getting a straw yellow color, we have to add 1 ml of freshly prepared starch as an indicator, and so that we will be getting a blue solution. And now we have to continue the titration by adding dropwise, so that we'll be getting an exact burette reading. That is, the sharp endpoint could be obtained. That is the color change from this blue to green color. Yes. So we can see here, just by adding a single drop, we are getting a green color. Okay. So now we can take the burette in hand and we can note down the burette reading. So repeat the experiment so that we can get a concordant value. So fill the burette with the thiosulfate solution, then pipette out 20 ml of the given potassium dichromate solution, then add 5 ml of concentrated hydrochloric acid and 10 ml of 8% potassium iodide solution. So titrate immediately against this thiosulfate, and when we get a straw yellow color, we can add 1 ml of freshly prepared starch to get a blue color, and continue the titration so that we will be getting the end point, and note down the reading and tabulate. So this here we are getting this 21.3 as the concordant value, and so volume of Ling solution, that is thiosulfate, burette reading 21.3, and we have to substitute the strength of this Ling solution that we have calculated for our first titration. And then volume of the given potassium dichromate solution, that is the pipette solution, 20 ml, and substitute everything in this formula. V1N1 is equal to V2N2, and we will be getting the strength of the given potassium dichromate solution, and this has to be substituted here for the weight calculation. That is, to calculate the amount of potassium dichromate, we are substituting the normality of given potassium dichromate, and we have to multiply by its equivalent weight, that is 49. Okay, and since we are making up 200 ml, we have to divide it by 10. So we will be getting our final answer, that is the amount of potassium dichromate in the solution. Thank you.